Up first this evening, a man is in police custody following the brutal killing of 3 persons in Rocky Point, Clarendon. Among the deceased is the suspect's mother. Antonia Atkinson has the details.
Tears of sadness and grief, pain no family wants to endure. Thursday night turned into darkness as 3 family members were chopped to death at their home in Rocky Point, Clarendon. The deceased have been identified as 32-year-old fisherman Linval Henry, otherwise called Bebe, his mother Annette Lindo, otherwise called Nin, a vendor and domestic helper, and Keisha Lindo, a vendor and cousin of the family. Police say the suspect, a 26-year-old relative, was taken into custody shortly after the incident and is believed to be of unsound mind. Reports are that Linval Henry and his brother were at home when a dispute developed. During the altercation, the younger brother allegedly chopped his sibling to the neck, killing him at the scene. Police say their mother Annette Linda ran outside calling for help, where she too was later attacked by the machete-wielding man. Her cousin Keisha Linda also reportedly went to inquire what was happening when she too was attacked and fatally chopped. Family members and family friends commented on the incident.
You know what I mean, Dad? You know the hell you're talking about? Let's in Danny's son. 3 of them in son, chop up with 3 of them, chop them up to death.
Me get calls saying kill everybody. That me hear say everybody dead. Up a yard. That me hear. Me run, me rush come. Me never get fisty, but that me hear saying kill everybody in knees. Me hear saying kill him mother, but actually a 3 person dead in kill him mother.
The suspect was later arrested in the Frasersfield area. Investigations are ongoing. Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.